So I love this fountain. It's great, and my cat likes it a lot. However, I don't know what it is about it, but something about it, it gets grosser than literally any other water fountain I've ever seen in my entire life. Almost every part of the fountain comes open or comes apart, including the motor. And when I'm telling you that if you're not disassembling it completely and scrubbing it at least twice a week, your cat is drinking straight mold. Like, it gets slimy and moldy and disgusting so fast. It's obscene. Especially this little box here that holds the water filter, and this blue piece which attaches here to hold the motor to the fountain. I actually did not know that this came off until more recently. I've had the fountain for about 5 months, and when I tell you that I almost threw up when I saw what was growing in here, I'm not even being dramatic. I would actually recommend one of these little pipe cleaner reusable straw cleaner things to help you get into and clean all of these smaller pieces, because it gets so disgusting. But apart from that, it's great.
I added a little bit of decoration to the new hotel and then made my way back to the neighborhood.
Crusty eyed guy, right? Crusty
Nice
eyed
little
boy.
fountain. Look at that.
You hate it?